Well folks, how are we today? Today we have a Makita nail gun, a DBN600. Fair warning from the outset, these are crap. Terrible gun. Far too big, far too heavy, far too cumbersome, not well powerful, not very reliable, overcomplicated on side, and basically the inside of them, they're basically a railway gun. That's what they look like. Same sort of build design. This one's not working. That's all she'll do. Pull the battery out, put it in again. Motor turns, stops again. So, motor's only starting up. She's not doing anything, she's got no power. She's not taking the piston back, she's not firing. She's doing squat. Now, it's not a very old gun. 2021. But, not in warranty. Can't be warranty now because obviously it's been opened before. There are a couple of screws missing. So, see if we can do anything with it. There's only a brushed motor, it's not a brushless one. What is she actually doing? Get rid of this for a start. Let's see what this motor's doing. Yeah. Could that be the problem? Micro switches. I hate micro switches in machines. That would be a problem, alright. Right. There's actually markings on that. And see, that was assembled wrong. Because this was opened already. I don't know if that's the fault or if somebody's just bust that now that they've taken it out. That's been pushed down too far and crushed. Right, even with that broken, I can still get that to engage. Yeah, that still works. Got a wee sensor here. It's picking up on. Yeah, see, somebody was at this. Picks up this magnet. This magnet has a wee push-on clip stuck to it. So why is that there? That again now without the rest of the gun. Right. Where does that leave me? So she's starting, she's running. She's still doing the same problem without this end. So it must be an electrical fault. a lot of sensors in these here things to tell the gun what position that it's at. This is just a brushed motor, so this isn't telling you anything. This is going to be telling you something though. So it's not a stripped gear. The next guess is going to be this here wee sensor pickup here. So that sensor is picking up on this, telling the gun when to stop and start. So basically that's the only brain box area that's in it. And the funny thing about it is, now that I'm thinking, this gun does not take a C-clip. There's nowhere in this gun that has one of them. So that's a foreign body. And it was on the magnet. So unless that was messing with the reading from that there sensor. Right, chances first. That wee C-clip's gone now. Replace the switch, put it back together, see if it fires. Because to be honest, if it's not that, it's going to be the crank inside, which is connected to this. So on the end of the crank, there's another little plastic gear like this on the actual outside of the crank, which is engaging this here. So they're geared 1 to 1. So as that goes round, this goes round. So another thing is going to be is the gear inside is stripped out, but I can see the teeth, so it's not stripped out. Right, try to reassemble like this. That's the part you need. The other switch is a different part number. Right, we'll chance that before we go any further. See if that is the problem. Now, does it work? Sure, what'd be wrong with that? Working away, no problem now. So, that's probably the main problem, that broken switch. But I would say that didn't help at all. That's probably why she wasn't starting up properly, or she's only running intermittently. That was probably interfering. So watch that. Apart from that, that's her up and running. It's actually a brand new gun, supposedly. X-display, rang the customer on it, just never worked right from day one, so that was the reason. Only thing now as we need is 2 screws, because there's 2 missing as well. Apart from that, That's her sorted. Thanks for watching, lads. If you like this content and you want to support the channel, hit the join button at the bottom. There's a subscription service now, so helps to fund the channel. Cheers, lads.